The Livewell Buddy. Doesn't matter what kind of fishing you do, any angler can find a way to use this multi-purpose tool. Use it bank fishing. It's lightweight, packs easier than a wire basket, and it doesn't sink. Float it alongside your kayak or canoe. Put it to work on your bass boat. It fits nicely inside most standard live wells and can easily jimmy out of most any openings. You could use your hands to retrieve each fish you wanted to cull, get finned up, send a half dozen fish scattered around, or retrieve your entire catch at once. Cull fish for 5 to 10 seconds. Slip the Livewell Buddy back in. They're breathing. And let's get back to fishing.
Beautiful Smith Lake spotted bass.
Wherever the fish end up today, pulling up at the weigh-in or a one-way trip to the ice chest, everybody needs a Livewell Buddy.